Number 4, 82% are going to repeat with you if they have a good customer experience. Number 5, 91% are not. I'm in the 91%. So you have no choice in life but to follow a couple of paradigms. And so I want you to understand the statistics. It's not worth arguing with somebody like me. You made a mistake. Even if you didn't make the mistake, it's probably still not worth the argument in today's environment. The reality is that if you make a customer mad or angry and they have the venom that I had in this situation, they're going to go out there and they're going to start talking to people. They're going to talk to people at their church, their golf clubs. They're going to talk at restaurants. They're going to talk to people at their bunco parties, their neighborhood network gatherings, their Rotary clubs. Networking and social media are essentially the new version of what's going on. And the digital media platform is now the center of the universe. You don't have the luxury to allow somebody like me to get out there and become unhinged relative to the customer experience.